Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. East Khasi Hills District goes for complete lockdown from 8 p.m. tonight till 5 a.m. of 10 May 2021. Local markets to be closed except locality shops dealing with essential commodities. MBO's examination scheduled on 6 and 7 May postponed to 11th and 12th May 2021. Community markets revive to aid farmers in exporting their commodities, and locality markets make their comeback as the big markets close July. And now the news in detail. Few decisions were taken in the review meeting held today, the 5th of May 2021. Addressing the media fraternity this afternoon, the Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, informed that a steep rise in the number of COVID-19 cases in the state, particularly in East Khasi Hills, is seen. So in order to curb further spread of the coronavirus, the state government have decided to opt for total lockdown from 8 p.m. today till 5 a.m. of 10th May 2021. The lockdown is only for East Khasi Hills, whereas for other districts, the lockdown will be only from 8 p.m. of 7th May to 5 a.m. of 10th May.
In the meeting that was held today at 12 o'clock, the government has decided that there will be a complete lockdown of East Khasi Hills district from 8 p.m. of 5th of May, that is tonight, till 5 a.m. of the 10th of May 2021, which means that the containment period that is left for the next 5 days is being converted into a lockdown mode. So therefore, more restrictions are coming in. We have also decided that there will be a weekend lockdown in other districts of the state also.
During the press briefing, the Chief Minister also informed that interstate and inter-district movement are also restricted.
Vehicular movements will be restricted. Interstate movement of persons in all parts of the state will also be restricted. Inter-district movement of persons from and to East Khasi Hills will be restricted.
It was also informed that all major markets will remain closed, whereas shops selling essential goods are to be open in localities.
All major markets in East Khasi Hills, including Shillong, will be closed during this period, but essential goods will be made available through shops in the localities. Home delivery services will be permitted. Movement of agriculture produce and inputs in East Khasi Hills will be regulated by the DC of East Khasi Hills.
The state government has also decided to postpone the MBO's examination scheduled for May 6 and May 7 to 11 and 12 May 2021, with detailed notification to be issued by the Education Department.
The exams that were scheduled on the 6th and 7th of May 2021 in the state is being postponed to 11th and 12th of May 2021. I repeat, the exams that were scheduled for the 6th and the 7th of May 2021 in the state is postponed to 11th and 12th of May 2021, and the Education Department will issue detailed notification to that perspective to the concerned students also.
It was also informed that weddings which were already permitted may be held but restricted to family members and not exceeding 20 persons.
Weddings that have already been permitted may be held, but it will be restricted to only the family members, and the numbers shall not exceed 20 people.
Finally, for funeral gatherings, it was informed that not more than 20 persons will be allowed.
Funeral gatherings will also be restricted to 20 persons, but prior permission will have to be taken from concerned officials like the BDO or the Deputy Commissioner through the involvement of the local headmen.
Following the closure of Yao Musyang and the GHADC market by the authorities due to non-adherence to COVID-19 protocol and restrictions, small locality markets have seen a revival. These markets are now a source of provision such as groceries, meat and other essential items. Ironically, these small locality shops have shown more conducive to the implementation of the protocol, where social distancing and mask wearing are enforced by the shopkeepers. However, in spite of many buyers flocking to the shops for their essential items, the shopkeepers are disappointed at the decrease in sale. The State Department of Agriculture has on 5th May 2021 revived the community market at Sanmer and Umdingpon, Hinyomer, Upper Shillong as an initiative to enable farmers to sell their products. This comes close on the heels of the announcement made by the government to lock down the East Khasi Hills district in an effort to combat the second wave of COVID-19. In a press conference attended by the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, the Director of the Department of Agriculture, Mr. Bantedor Lingdor, in charge of the Ministry of Agriculture, officials of the department and representative of the Farmer Association, the members of the press were informed regarding the decisions to revive the community market and to issue car passes only to vehicles exporting agricultural products to other states in the country. Further, they were also informed that another community market would be open at Maoyong besides the above-mentioned markets. It was also stated that the I-Team, which is a unit of the Department of Agriculture, will be on hand to help farmers in transporting their commodities to the community markets and other markets outside the state.
But ban penting yakni kiki berok dengan teradaw beserta kalasi teradaw ban ay total lockdown ini. Maknang nandam bayat isu. Ringi so ni hajo ko porpat ng fin nagaliang depan menjungi ni so kya bang yang bang don kam bang ya pekhat lupa na mentakan numta ginang rat jungi. Ti mentar don bok ba kapade ke porba kamarat kelami ibon. Tempat mi ibon. Kadang dungan itu ipi. Kubi mental sedang bani berbicara kata kami, jururan kata kami kami. Tidak nak kata ya bentar ini, nonum sakut ni hapan isu karpas itu. Di mata sungi lah timbek ini isu karpas itu, nambah kini yok bandi, jadi ni gimana? Tiba dia sebat, bat haju ke poru, tiba lah transport merapok, nah boleh ke distrik nak kini merak, hati yok bijaki. Kamu apa nak melim blok ni ke soyong blok? Tidak menolak ini video ang diminta apa Shillong yung dalam atau ketat market but apa atau yung umdegyon temut kimdan kan menuan Shillong kita di ibrok but nakaliang kejongi yung insya pat ya gitu bagi video skin eye capacity ya ki real ya ki norak ibawan kit siya wandi market within that area only tangati itu icakajoki kan dan kan bagi menuan Shillong Alabon, lagi fojar, labon lagi tu. Tenrai ngang pi, dan bok bagai mentang pandai keper benami bagi jorgi jap, benami tang kubi. Jadi nak tak ada bukan ada problem ada kata. Tenrai orang katang pi kini kelami mentang kamar ni malah ban sebut dia bukan mar kaput nak. Jadi nak tak ada bang ini itu karpas mentang jadi. Ini ok dia rete. Pi ni lah banyak kan teman. Jadi nak kadang pembaik mentasi dan bok nilai yo long meeting no bangin yo bang ai bagi karpas nang bagi yo bang dikenat yo mau mata joki nang bagi nang pot ya pot bang ha dan ya kacakam stop.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.